Hi and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm not going to be working on the Metro. I'm going to be making a trolley for my welder. It's going to be a really cheap option. I'll tell you the reasons why I'm doing it in a minute. You'll have to excuse the mess on the floor. I've just cleaned out the pond and I need all the leaves to dry up before I can use a leaf blower. But basically I've got a TIG welder there. I've got a MIG welder. Now I am going to have to build two of these trolleys, but I just wanted to order one to begin with. So it's a trolley on wheels. I think it was £21. They accepted an offer on eBay. And the reason why I'm going for this option rather than a specific welding trolley is because the specific welding trolleys have got wheels on each side that stick out. Now what I want to try and do is have a self-contained unit, so I'm using a tool caddy. Basically what I'm going to do, cut holes in two of the shelves, so that one over there and then this one here, that's the size of my gas bottle. I'll cut square holes because it's obviously easier. I'll have the gas bottle there, and then TIG welder will sit on the top shelf, a couple of shelves below for bits and pieces, and then I'll have another one for my MIG if it all works out okay. I'll crack on with it anyway and you can have a look, see what you think. So what I've done here, I've marked out obviously the circle because I'm going to be cutting a square hole. I'm going to cut it here, and then where I've shaded it in, I'm going to just cut it at an angle up to the corner in all four corners, and then I'm going to bend this little flap over and just knock it flat. The idea behind that, or the hope behind that, is that it'll just add a bit of rigidity into it by just having that folded back on itself. We'll see how it goes anyway, and obviously we'll be able to see the difference. So you saw there, that's the first one. Looks a little bit crude on the bottom, but that'll be in the bottom of it. Top. Alright. You know what? Rigidity is still within the panel. So I'll mark up the next one, cut that out. I'll save you on the time lapse on that one because you know obviously what's going to happen, and then we'll get it back in the frame. Matching pair, both folded over. I'm not saying you must fold it over, but in my opinion the rigidity it adds, it's well worth it. So I'll put it all together now and we'll see how it works. Alright, so there we have it. Quite pleased with that, to be honest. Nice and solid. Gas bottle's not going to go anywhere. Dials are on show. Easy access. Wheels around nice and easily. The other welder fits exactly the same. I've got a couple of shelves for my consumables for each individual welder. And then I've got a couple of grinders, so I'll put a grinder on each. But basically, it was £21 it's cost me, plus probably spent maybe an hour. Alright, so there we have it, all completed. Works absolutely fine for me, what I want. Just give you a walk round. Gas bottle fits in spot on, as you saw before. Got the pedal, the torch, the earth clamping. I can leave everything connected on the front, still get to the handle easily enough, moves around on its casters. Main reason though is because when I make the next one, so I'm going to order another trolley, I'm going to build another. When I make the next one I can have them lined side by side, because at the back of the garage here, you can see I end up with my gas bottles loose and I've got the welders in cupboards. So this way, I'll have the two of them lined up back of the garage. They can be moved around as and when I need. Hope that someone finds that useful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you like the videos. Most of the videos I do are on the Austin Metro. I've got another car that's going to be coming to the channel when the Metro is finished as well. That's going to be a massive project when I take that one on. But let me know what you think in the comments. Hopefully, like I say, it's useful to someone.